They say that if you go for Olo right now, no be small thing, no things dey happen as this Biafra Liberation Army don come outside and come tell us say the ongoing war wey dey happen for inside Osru, for inside Imo State, no be small thing, no. E say so far so on, the many Nigeria army, many of them don kpai, and say they never, none of their men don kpai for inside the matter. Now we still dey here. They look, but as he come outside this morning come bring this update, now we say bring and come give una. However, we go find out how this thing take dey happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time we dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here, they bring you updates back to back as e dey hot. My people, no be small thing, no. They say the place where they call Osru for Olo. If you watch this yesterday, they show some videos where Nigeria may carry their armor tank and other things, they enter inside the area. But as we dey happen now, this Biafra Liberation Army don come outside, come explain things, come give us. But we go play you the video, make you watch before we go come back, come continue.
Good morning, wonderful people of Biafra. I'm here to update you of what is going on. This is day 3 of the war declared by Britain, UK, and the zoo government, signed by Uzodinma to come and kill the indigenous people in Osru. This is 3 days war. What I do not know is that we were prepared before we come. And what they would know is that at the end, Biafra must come. They can't stop us. With their 30 armor tanga, how many remain now? With all your machinery you deploy, come, how many remain now? With all your experience and expertise of war strategies you carry come, how far? We still dey ground. We never lost one soul. Check your record. How many have you lost so far? You can't win us. As long as you are fighting for our rights, you can never win us. The God of justice, the God of our ancestors, will never leave our side. It is not by force to be won. We are not in Yoruba land. We are not in Hausa land. We are not in England land, Britain land. We are in the land of our ancestors. And you who come to kill us, you will end up dying in our place. Mark our word. We know they go anywhere. Your strength will soon lose out. And when your strength lose, now when our own begin. Yes, you will use your mouth and testify. Alpha, this is 3 days. We don't enter. But I will tell you to enter dey easy, but to come out, you know dey easy. Yes. That's how it will be. To the good people of Biafra, stay calm and stay clear from Olu. Olu is fighting a full-blown war. Full-blown war. And as they did yesterday, when they think over them, where they sustain so much casualty, they will enter the nearby village that we are not close and adopt men and children, women, adult, whatever thing they see there, they will adopt. They have adopted the information reaching us. They have adopted up to 10 indigenous people of Osru, up to 10, both men and women, and even young underage from 7 years. Imagine these people adopting 7 years old boy. So therefore, as I told you people before, please, if you are staying in Osru and you don't have anywhere to run to, please run enter forest, enter our camp. But enter forest, you must find where you can go and stay, because this is full-blown war. All the bomb that have been thrown, it landed on people's houses. I will soon release the video to show you where they have been launching bomb, where it landed. So therefore, stay calm. It is a war. Nothing that has the beginning that doesn't have an end. This war will definitely come to an end. And I'm here to announce the end results for you. That at the end of this war, Biafra will be emerged victoriously. Because we have come to finish what our father started. And they know that they cannot win us. They have testified that what they saw is not what they think. And I'm here to tell them, what you will soon see will be what you never ever in your imagination imagine. Yes. And as I told you before, that we are the children of warriors. The warrior give birth to us. And they prepare us for this task. And we have come to accomplish this task of restoration of Biafra. And no human or spirit can stop us. As I stated before now, that February is not going to be easy. I have stated earlier that the month of February, the month of March, is going to be full-blown war. Now, you prove me right. And so therefore, you understand that we were prepared, because we know every move and every step you make. And we know where you will land. I do not come here to give a long sermon. Rather, I came here to update the good people of Biafrans that the war is still going on. And we do not lose any soul. And we will never lose soul. So therefore, stay tuned. And may Chukwu Kikabiyama guide and protect each and every one of you that are supporting this struggle. Those that brought death into our land, death is what they will say. God bless Biafra.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As you don't watch that video, no be smarty, no, things are really happening. But however, we see they here, they bring you update back to back. Remember how we tell the do we go bring you some information. We will also leave you, may you contribute, put for the matter. Anything where you want tell this man where they that place they fight, may you see drop out for inside comment section. Your own idea, your own contribution. If you still drop out for there, because they reply you for that side. So this is that information what would they get this morning, and now we say mostly bring them can drop out for the house. May everybody know what they go on according to the report. What would they see? But if you there for those areas where they say this thing they happen, I beg don't forget to let us know as they go for that area, because we want to know, because a lot of things are going on in social media. We be say for real life, we know the two see. But however, if you there for that area, may you still let us know. Our own work now to bring information of things where they happen. Get that? Okay, my people, we will see you for the inside comment section as they hot. Tell us your own opinion, and also share the video so that other people will know what they go on as well.